If you know a bull buck, me a dopey conqueror. Come. You know see who she team up with? And next non-progressive deadbeat something over this so. I see the two of them, I say it look like the two people get plan. Who then go tear down today? I see Marcia make video yesterday. Cause two of them they on me. How much? Me mad me, my best friend. Me never have no best friend. My best friend always my money. And my best friend never left me yet. So make she sit down up where she sit down. Then I'm out of one box. Spread two side one styrofoam box. And the one Jems. The one Jems, she mother best friend. And me know say me titty them long. Me hear Marcia she dey contact, but where you not go to breast reduction? Organic things me have around here. Everything organic. Tina they talk about my age. This big woman, she about 58. Tina a young little girl not have no age must still dey on almanac. And you want to see her with her natural hair. If you ever mad Annie. A woman who used to run from 4th Street to some shop square. If you ever mad Annie to behind in the car. You know her, Sandy? Sandy saying, oh, mad Annie. And you call me mad? You are the mad woman. You're a witch without a broom and a hat. People with quality and class. You say you're very educated and you call people dunce all the time. But you're in your car on the highway, in your night clothes. And you cuss people about clothes, about this, about that. And your mind alright. Now come for me. Me hear all Marcia they talk about false teeth. Girl, if your teeth rotten or you have cavities and you don't want your mouth stink, take them out and put in false teeth. And that the dentist them out there for. Wait. Cause I think everybody afraid of you. I don't think everybody afraid of you. Me not afraid of you. Hey. You know, sister, the woman sick her head. Me mean say everybody's success a fear madness. Everybody's success is her madness. If you can't cheer on for a person that is successful, you will never be successful. The Bible tell you that you have to be happy for your brother. Oh no, sister Miss Lawton when they bake her cake yesterday. No, that make at them something they make she get upset now. Cause maybe she not make no money if you go buy fruits. So she have to start the foolishness. Wait until that start. Wait until that start through your life. Wait until Dana start doing things and wait until Chris and Dana put out them big batch. Lord have mercy. At that time she go scream like a way a chew stone in a hog pen. Wait until cake start ship. I don't know we hear balling. Hold on there, just hang on man. Just sit down tight in our seat and wait until cake start ship. Wait until you hear say UPS, that the batch of UPS. And wait until you hear Auntie Dana they say, sell it, Paula, stop selling people them cake. Wee! Me can't wait. Me can't wait for down on 99 get festive. You know see who she team up with? You know see who she team up with? And next non-progressive deadbeat something over this so. She a try all this man me so and she said, oh, I'm telling all the young ladies that if you're with a man and he's abusing you, leave him. Don't be afraid to leave a company and looking on no singleness. I don't think me evil like me have a peace of mind and me have relationship with God, strong relationship. Else I wouldn't be here today. Uno day today, me have a strong relationship with my creator. When me dey pray, ask my husband about me, I'm afraid for me talk sometimes. Because me pray. Me pray. And when me pray, me say when me put the glass of water in my Bible and put your name under that and bawl. Me get you. So no be careful when I ask her for me. No, not say things about me. I don't have a mother and I don't have a father. And when my parents see me cry, they get in action. You could have there ever them all come for you. Me know how to speak to my ancestors. And I know how to speak to God himself. So, you not start it with me. Like, you start them things there with me. I'm going to talk to you right so and tell you why Marcia. They call me name about me mad friend. Make me get into it. You share the live here so she can see and hear my side of the story, because somebody they give her a side of the story where she don't understand. God fight my battle. Me no fight it for myself. Me pray to my God. I no share my life. One time, my last child that I have, when me tell myself, say me done with pitney, me done with man. Me meet one young man, me and my baby father split. And me meet a young man. Come from country, somewhere up in a Chilani, far. I don't know where he come from. Because I didn't even meet this man people there. But me split with my baby father. So me decide, me see this guy, he need help, and me decide, and me help him. Me were in my young prime time too. And him were in a young prime time too. But he come from country and he don't have no help. One suit of clothes boy have. But boy have good head, can do things. Me decide say me help him, me motivate him, me build him up as a man, me go on with myself, help him. That's me never get a love poem from a man yet in my life. And that man, every day me get a love poem. If you don't know what me talk about love poem, when you get your lyrical love note them from a man, sweet you. Always you go and walk your office, sit down and read them, and you just say smile, son, you just say build everything in you. Take up the boy, one pants, one shot. Clean up the boy, nice up the boy. Boy start work with big hotel, they draw down big money. Boy give me money, me start build house and sitting. That boy money start my house when me have a Jamaica. Alright? Me end up get pregnant. No, I plan. One pitney me ever plan for have. My first me never plan. My second me never plan. The third me never plan. Listen. Number 4, I plan that pregnancy. Me plan it. Plan figgy boy one baby too. Cause me fix him up and he look good. And he start going with himself and then they walk a big place and then they draw down his money and he rate me, and when he work, collect his money and me go to hotel, go collect big check and can go put in a bank. Only man me ever plan for have one pitney for, and the only man ever send me go collect his money, handle his money, put in a bank, do all kind of things, and me they go on with myself. Yeah? One woman married to me, brother. Right? And then she decides she want to set her sister them for come in a boy life when me take up boy off a boy face, me clean up boy, me motivate boy, me a push boy places, me pregnant, This girl we are the woman we married to my brother, sister. 2 sisters I have. When they push the youngest sister upon my man, the little girl says she not do it. Him push one when me they help me. When me buy 1 pound of flour or 1 pound of sugar or 1 bread, me split it in 2. So me and she and her friend, she when they struggle with her 2 picnic too. And me have my business, and when me they come home at night time and stop at grocery store, if I buy a bread for myself, me buy a bread and give this girl. Me a help her with her children. So me have a big old belly. Then think they can butter me. So the one I married to my brother, they set up in 2 sisters to take the man. Cause he know what me they get. She in my family now, so she know what me they get from the man. So she has set up her 2 sisters to take my baby father. The little one decides that she not go. The big one, when me they help, decides that she's doing it. One day me there my one place and my baby father fix one Sunday. Me there one place and my baby father fix TV and radio and them things there. And me hear this female they call and they come, but me sit down in there, me and him and hear the woman they call and they come. No listen it very good, you know. You see by the time I push out my head so the girl start run. No something wrong. Something really wrong, right there so. She thought tear down the place, start run. So me say, oh, cause me when they hear story, you know, about me or so me stay, me no mess with people until me prove things. That's how I am. The girl start run. That time I just have baby, young baby. She feel lucky. She feel lucky. Say what woman name Miss Reed. That morning, she die in her grave right now. Maybe me uno there. So I mean, no me that come out of prison already. She feel lucky. Said I never catch her. She start run this Sunday. Me say, alright. The Monday morning, me decide say me a core up her little kin. Because it's a reason why she run. And it's the reason what I was hearing before. But I did not want to attack this person without proving that it was true. Me go for her the Monday morning in the crossroad. And me decide that that's what me I give her what me have for her. And she hide. Me ne go for go in a no niceness with him. Me go for go done her. Good done her. And then tell her say me down there and she not come down. And me hide and she thinks say me gone. She dey run past and me run her down and I done me when go down a girl. She jump over one gully about 20 feet high. She jump over that gully and mash up herself. That make me not done her that morning. And these people, the same people them now remember the woman married to my brother. Same people them. They start all kind of mix up with me. Cause from a little that the woman they set lyrics to me and my children them. They do all kind of things. If you set lyrics to me. Yes, I give the girl some good damn lick. Then go up police station. And you see when me lick she, I lick everybody in the family. Every one of them. When then go up police station, then couldn't catch me. Then tell whole heap of lie upon me. Then couldn't catch me. Police come on me yard every day and I sit down and watch them so. And then can't catch me. One day me decide say, me I go down there to them. I go down there and I carry my young baby. Then take my baby from me. Then give actually they say I must give my sister the baby. Me give my sister the baby. And then lock me up on one veranda at the police station at 14 Barnett Street. My same baby father with them want inner things with me and him come take me out down there. Right? When he take me out down there, I have a court date. I'm going to tell you, say God work miracle for people anytime in a no situation or not for pray to God. When me go to court the man, no, before me go to court, me tell you before me go to court, we used to take phone call of one person yard in over where we live. And one day, the day before my court, me get one phone call. And I want to say, oh, me get phone call. When me listen at the same girl, where the fool or me be a father will get himself in a trouble, we have me down a police station, say me beat her, and me take with how much $1,000 for her and away money if you go pay up a hospital for your mother in a hospital. She have me down a courthouse. When me get the phone call from her the day before court, the phone call was, Jenny, I want to forget about the court because I'm my sister. Me not go call her name, and me can't call her name because she can't beat me. My sister tell me say if you tell the police them so. And my sister tell me say me say hold on, me say hang on there. Me tell the girl in the house say take up the other phone, listen to this conversation because I want you to follow me to court the next day. And me say me in the area good, so talk where you wanna talk. And she start talk. And me say tell me where you when they say no, cause the baby when they make nice. So tell me where you, and my sister tell me if you tell the police them say you take away money from me. And I'm Jenny, me and you were friend and you used to do all kind of things to me. I used to take care of me and me pity them. And my sister tell me if you do it, and my sister tell me if you do it. And my sister me say, listen what me I say to you now. When you go to court tomorrow, you need to tell the judge everything that you're telling me now because I can't help you. And me, you don't have me a court already, so I have to go. So when you go to court a morning, tell the judge everything that you're telling me now. Remember now, me get the information because the person is on the other side of the phone. Anyway, she said to me, say, after court, me can't talk to you tomorrow. Me say, yes. After court, you talk to me, but you're going to tell the judge everything what you tell me now. Remember now, you know, the woman when want me for when, you know, say, when me I go to court, make sure me reach before everybody. When me reach a court that morning, me see one Rasta woman, me don't know if you don't know one Rasta woman, a clean man to go be a courthouse. And she, me see they wipe out the place. She said, oh, you're so early. Me say, me leave 4. That's all me say to her. And me go up the step and the woman wipe the step go down. She wipe the step, come down, and me pass her and she wash out the sitting and wipe the step go down again. That's simple me. Nobody can put on nothing for me walk over because me done pass already. Me go up in the courthouse and me sit down and me now move. When they come up, everybody start my name call. The girl go in front of the judge and tell the judge, no man I dirty policeman wait tell me give me sister my baby and lock me up on the veranda the jailhouse. Him did it and they read out my birthright told me be 2 man and take away money from girl. I mean no, me never do that. When the girl tell the judge say I sister which is my sister-in-law, tell her if she say all what she say. I me not take no money from her, I me not this and me not that. The judge look upon the girl and said to her, so you see, when you look somebody time for waste, don't try this lady. Leave her alone or not leave her alone. Not tell no lie upon her. That's so the woman said to her. And she tell the judge, say her sister that married to my brother, tell her to do all of these things and tell so much lie. The judge turned to the policeman and said to the policeman, say, you should be ashamed of yourself. You did not do an investigation in this matter, but you write this big old police report and come up in here telling us that this lady do this and this to this lady and it's a lie. She come up here and she say it's a lie. I could have sued them. Me could have sued the police officer. But God fight me buckle. I don't need to do that. The judge said me free to go. I walk out. She dey sit right in front of her judge say, Jenny, me want to talk to you when me go outside. Girl, when me go outside, me run, because me don't want to turn up and talk to these people. Because they're evil and they're wicked. So guess what happened to this female? What them attack say, me mad, because me not mad nobody. They were trying to set a Derek, so me remember now, the woman pin me around in a parade and say me must reach a court before them. If me won't reach late, me take over what they have to take over. 2 weeks after we left courthouse, me hear say the girl big toe they rotten off. And me they won't set that for. Me. And from this, so, she mad. I don't have nothing to do with her madness. And even when me go to Jamaica now, in my good self, when me live America, me see this girl, me still look on her and ask her, say, why you look so you fi beard and change your clothes, man? The same girl where they say me mad, me treat her better than her sister. Me treat her better than her sister.